Paying yourself is one of the biggest reasons why you own your own quilt shop. So are you even paying yourself, or if you are paying yourself, are you paying yourself enough, or is it healthy? Is it too much, too little? So when we first start out, most small businesses don't really take any money out of the business. In fact, they often are adding money in to keep it going and to get it going. But taking a wage is really important. It's the reward for working in your business, right? If you were working for somebody else, would you expect to be paid? And those of you who do have employees, you probably feel that responsibility to pay your employees. So today we're going to be talking about how much you should pay yourself as a business owner without compromising the business and keeping you on the path to financial freedom. So please leave your comments and questions below. I'd love to read them and look through them and answer any questions you may have. My name is Jacob Curtis. I help quilt shops piece together financial freedom. I'm a certified Profit First professional, a CPA, the founder of Curtis Accounting Solutions, and the co-owner of Utah Valley Quilting. As I mentioned, business owners struggle to know how much and when to pay themselves, right? We know that. I know quilt shop owners that have not paid themselves in over 40 years. And I know others who have paid themselves a little bit early on, but have never given themselves a raise as they've grown their business. And still others have only taken out money when they personally desperately need it. Every business needs to have a cash management system. I love Profit First because following its core principles, you can grow your business and get paid doing it. Now, the Profit First system is the cash management system that I promote. Profit First system is the cash envelope system, modernized and adapted for business. You open 6 foundational checking accounts to make sure you spend and save the right amounts at the right time in each stage of your business. So here are the 6 foundational accounts for quilt shops: income, inventory, profit, owner's compensation, taxes, and operating expenses. I'm going to go through each of those and kind of explain what the purpose is and what they are as quickly as I can. So the income account is to collect all payments from your customers, and then that account acts as a serving tray to the other accounts based on some customized percentages. The inventory account is to save and pay for inventory. Straightforward and simple. The profit account actually has 3 purposes. The first is to be an emergency fund for your business, because it's not if an emergency comes, but when an emergency comes. The second purpose of the profit account is to destroy your debt. Okay, by making and saving, or by saving and making extra debt payments each quarter, you can destroy your debt very quickly. And third is to pay you a quarterly bonus. This is your shareholder dividend that most large corporations pay out each quarter. And then we have the owner's compensation account, and that's the account we're focusing on today. This account is to accumulate and pay you, the owner of the quilt shop, a consistent paycheck, right? The tax account is to pay the annual income taxes of the business and your quarterly estimated taxes and your personal taxes. And finally, the operating account is to pay for everything else that we haven't specifically talked about already. So back to that age-old question: how much do I pay myself as the business owner? With Profit First, the answer is going to be a percentage based on the stage of business that you're in, based on your level of revenue and what stage of business you're in. So for quilt shops that are just starting out, and this means those that have less than $250,000 in gross profit and that have a 50% gross margin. These are key: $250,000 in gross profit and that have 50% gross margin. Your target wage percentage is 50% of gross profit, or you can think of it as 25% of total revenue. Again, that only applies to those that have a $250,000 gross profit and a 50% gross profit margin. So if you have anything other than that, if you have a different gross profit margin, your percentage will be different. And for this specific reason, I highly recommend that you reach out to me to help you get your customized owner's compensation and percentage. It's a really easy calculation to do. You can just send me an email and I'll probably respond with a couple questions just to clarify, and then send it back to you very quickly and easily. So for quilt shops that have higher revenue or different gross margin levels, the owner's compensation will be different. Again, and the other thing to know is that as you change your business, as you progress through the various stages of your business, your owner's compensation percentage will also change. And again, that's one of the reasons why I highly recommend that you work with myself as the quilt shop's accountant and Profit First professional, or somebody who has the similar experience to figure out what your customized owner's compensation percentage should be. because we know that we hurt ourselves and our business when we don't take a wage or we try to take too much out of the business, right? Wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whoever gathers little by little will increase it. On November 17th, I'm hosting a free virtual workshop to show you why Profit First works and how to get it set up in your shop. Click the link below to get registered and start on your path to financial freedom. Because using Profit First, we can answer the question, how much should I pay myself as a business owner? And then make a plan to achieve your target owner's pay. Thanks again for watching this, and make sure to follow me at Curtis Accounting Solutions on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Again, click the link below to register for my free virtual workshop on November 17th. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.